Pan and Scan tab lets you make geometric transformations to the image, enlarging, panning, or rotating as necessary. These settings are interchangeable with Final Cut Pro's Motion tab settings. The Shapes tab provides an interface for drawing user-defined shapes. These can be used with the vignette controls of the Secondaries room. Finally, the Tracking tab provides controls for single-point motion tracking. This allows you to track a moving feature in an image in order to make a vignette or pan and scan move along with that feature. The Still Store, in conjunction with a pair of keyboard shortcuts, lets you save reference images from your project to help you match one shot to another. The Still Store interface lets you turn on either a split-screen view or toggle between the saved and current images in their entirety. To save a still, simply move the playhead to the still you want to save and hit Ctrl-I to save the still. To recall the still, move the playhead to a shot with which you want to compare it and press Ctrl-U to enable the split-screen view. We'll talk more about the Still Store later on when we talk about scene-to-scene color correction. Moving on to the Render queue. This last room provides the interface you'll use to render all of the shots in your graded program prior to sending them back to Final Cut Pro. Again, we'll talk more about the Render queue later on. To reiterate, the rooms in the color interface are organized according to workflow. You'll begin in the primary in room, performing all primary color corrections to the current shots. Move on to the secondaries room, where you'll perform more targeted adjustments. Then go on to the color effects room, where you'll apply various effects and special looks to your shots.